or a sibling, please stand.
Woo! Not yet. But that would be nice.
I am so proud that SPC has positively impacted generations of families. As you can see, our students are far from ordinary. They are extraordinary, overcoming obstacles and juggling priorities to change their lives. Not only have they persevered, they did so with academic honor while being actively engaged in college life. If you have been a participant in the honors program at St. Petersburg College, please stand and be recognized. You may be seated. If you are a member of a student government association on any campus or a club, please stand and be recognized. You may be seated. Now I would like to recognize those students who were members of the SPC Honors Program and Honor Society,
Finally,
or
I
one of
have
our
family
academic
here.
achievement organizations, Phi Beta Kappa, Gamma